off today by checking in with designer Evelyn Eshun. She's touring a beautiful home by Lifestyle by Baron.
Hey, Marc and Mandy, I am here in another beautiful renovation by Lifestyles by Baron, and I cannot wait to show you this beautiful home tour. This house is gorgeous.
Thank you. We're very excited about it. The home's gone through a total transformation. This was your typical 1970 split level. So it had walls everywhere, dark, a little depressing.
Yes.
And the client wanted a total new reality. And as you can see, we've totally transformed it.
I love the entry here. As soon as you walk in, you've got these ceilings and you're just absolutely pulled into the home. It's breathier, it's airier. I love the skylights you've added for that extra light.
Where you're standing was literally a little galley kitchen. So you had literally a little kitchen table here.
Wow.
And literally over to this spot here, we had the kitchen. And the kitchen had been completely redone. But it was a small little kitchen and it wasn't very usable.
Got
so it
it.
was a really small space for the client.
So this was separated into 3 different chunks, and now it's one large, beautiful space with this incredible view.
The backyard was spectacular, so our design team designed around this. We wanted to unite the backyard and the home together.
Yes. And you know what, Marc and Mandy, that's a really great tip, because doing a renovation, yes, you are within walls, but consider the outdoors, right? To decide whether you should invest in beautiful windows or a walkout.
This is one of the favorite aspects for the client from a standpoint of totally opening it. And 3 unique spaces have in fact become one, which now leads us to a gourmet kitchen and a second kitchen pantry servery as well.
Oh, I can't wait to see that. I love what you've done here.
This is the heart of the home. For Lifestyles by Barons, this is one of the most critical spaces. And where you're standing actually was the dining room. We had very limited natural light coming into this space, and we had actually no access to the backyard from the main level. So that was a real design issue that we really needed to wrestle to the ground.
Well, you definitely solved it well. And one of the things I really like, this is a design tip for all you guys, is the counter is just on one level. You don't have a bar raised or anything. The chairs tuck in nicely, and that gives you so much more space to work.
Makes it more functional, without a question.
Definitely. I love this kitchen, and I love the toned down colors. I noticed the sink isn't stainless.
Correct. Sill granite. It's much more durable. It's not going to scratch. It just makes a lot of sense.
I love it. All those details to make a house a home, right? And back there, I think is...
That's a wonderful surprise. That's the second kitchen, second servery, second pantry.
I took a peek. That is an amazing space.
Yeah,
good job.
very
I'd be
exciting.
hanging out in there.
Most definitely.
Let's check out the walkout. Wow. This is
We fell in love with this.
cottage country in the city.
Our design team designed exactly around this. You have to take the actual backyard into consideration and make sure that it's united with the actual house.
Definitely. I mean, the way you've renovated the home with the big windows in the back and all that, you've been so cognizant of the backyard.
We actually did a whole outdoor structure on the back of this home as well. Nasty thing called a budget, and it ended up hitting the cutting floor. But it was one of the key elements, but it's still breathtaking.
Well, I think this is fantastic how you really kept cognizant of the backyard, added this second entry, which is fantastic, off the kitchen, and I think you've got another one down there.
Each level has its own access now.
Excellent. So we're gonna go check out the basement. All right.
So Evelyn, I don't know if you noticed there, but most builders would run stucco all the way down to the ground. Southern Ontario, that's just too extreme for the stucco, and the stucco will wear down prematurely. We have actually run stone on the bottom, and it adds a nice architectural detail, and it really is much more durable.
I did notice that, and you know what? That's a really nice detail that says that you're such a good builder.
Oh, thank you.
I'm just saying.
Thank you, thank you.
So here we are in the basement, and it doesn't feel like a basement. Look at this window.
And at Lifestyles by Barons, that's the whole game. We don't want the basement ever to feel like a basement.
Yes.
It should be the same quality as upstairs.
Yes.
So you've got the linear fireplace, you've got these mammoth windows.
Yeah.
That's what gives it the same warmth, the same quality as what you see upstairs. It doesn't have to have that basement dungeony feel.
Absolutely.
Same quality as upstairs.
No compromise. The flooring, engineered floor, I imagine.
Absolutely.
Yes, which is so superior these days.
There's a whole water management system underneath this. We don't want any finished product coming into contact with moisture.
I really, really love this house.
Thank you.
I think we should go back upstairs. I think there's a little bathroom I want to check out. We're here in a really well-planned bathroom. And tell me, it used to be a little office?
This is a tiny little office, so we had very limited space to work with. The office has now become a walk-in dressing room, as well as a little spa bathroom, and the client's delighted.
I'd be delighted too. This is quite a beautiful bathroom. I love the colorways. It's refreshing to not see white cabinetry everywhere, I have to say.
It's warm.
It's warm, it's cozy. I love the large shower. Really, really great job.
Natural pebble detail, natural products, they won't tend to trend in and trend out.
You know what I like about that? You've really, again, because of the outdoor, the textures you've used in the house really make me feel like I'm kind of inside outside.
That was the whole goal.
Good job. Well, let's go back downstairs and check out that kitchen again.
Wonderful.
So I have to say, to wrap it up, this house has such a beautiful feeling. I mean, the fact that you went from 7-foot ceilings to 16 from that vantage point up there looks amazing.
It makes the main floor, there's no question about it, and even the view from the second is spectacular as a result.
It really does. Congratulations to you and your team.
Thank you. This represents a very small portion of our team. Rick leads the sales and marketing side of the company. Allison leads the design portion of the company, and we're very proud of the team here. And actually, we also run a very unique program. We actually run a tour program that's been running since the beginning of the company. And we actually open up one home a year for the general public to actually see. So that's a fairly unique.
Lucky them.
We're the only firm in Ontario offering that program, so we're very proud of it.
I think that's a great idea. I think everyone wants a sneak peek into someone's home, right? We all look through windows sometimes in the evening, and you've done it really, really well. It's a great way to advertise. I love it.
We just had 165 people through this home, and they really enjoyed it. It's all about education, it's all about information. Excellent.
Well, I hope you guys love this home tour as much as I did. Till next time, we'll see ya.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.